Good afternoon, traders. I just want to show you today's reversal pattern. Yesterday we made a 4-hour low during the day. This was our PM low from yesterday, and this morning we traded down. We traded through it, so I started looking for a reversal pattern once we traded through that. Let's go to a 1-minute chart, and we'll see what that reversal pattern looks like. It wasn't the cleanest or the prettiest, but it was there. So we pushed down here, and then we tried another push down. We took out the lows there, then we took them out one more time. This being our lowest low, we mark out the last up close candle before the run on liquidity. So that one right there, our lowest low. So once we start seeing candle bodies closing above it, that's where we would want to consider taking our long. We pushed down one more time because we started closing above it right here. And I actually was considering getting in here. I think I may have and then killed it. I can't remember. I don't think I got in. I may have been extra patient there. Can't remember. But once we got above it again right here, I went ahead and entered a long in this area right here because we put up this little fair value gap, and then we respected it very nicely. So I went ahead and took a long, and I was just aiming for settlement, which was right at 200. Just a few points, just grabbing it. It was like 25 points to get there. And there was also a 15-minute chart high right here at 208, at 209, 210, somewhere around there. And I was considering that one, but I just went ahead and took my profit early on that and had a pretty decent day. And you can see once we did get above it, we had this one little push down. Once we took out that 15-minute high, we pushed back down into the 80s. But from then on out, it was to the moon. And we eventually made it all the way through to the high of the opening range, which I think that we opened. Yeah, we opened here. We opened right here and just went straight down. I do believe that was the open. Yeah, right there. We opened there and went straight down, and then we ended up going all the way through the opening range and a little bit higher. So that's real nice. These lines are my tomorrow lines. But yeah, so that's it. Something you could screenshot to lock into your brain. It's not the prettiest in the world, but it once it did validate this breaker, and sufficiently take out the liquidity below this 4-hour low, we did make that reversal and all was good. Taking these trades at these 4-hour lows, regular trading hours, I did a lot of back testing. Regular trading hour, 4-hour lows and highs are the ones you want to look at. The extended hour trading, it may be significant, but it's not as significant. The most of the volume occurs during the New York session, so you need to be looking at those 4-hour lows that you'll see on my little mark here. I've got it marked regular trading hour, 4-hour low. It's red, so that makes it a 4-hour low. And up here, regular trading hour, 4-hour high. And if it's also a daily low, I'll mark that. No, that's FTG bottom. But like here on the high, I got all-time high, regular trading hour, 4-hour high there. Okay, so make sure you're marking out those regular trading hour levels. And if they correspond with a daily, note that. And then when it takes one of them, just look for a reversal. It's either going to reverse or it's not. It's not going to hurt you to look for a reversal there. But trying to find a trade in all of this is much, much more difficult situation. Far better if you wait for one of these 4-hour lows to get taken and look for a reversal. That way you know at least you have a possible bottom or a possible top. That's it. I don't want to stay on here too long. I just want it to be a quick little video. I'm going to try to do one a day if we have a good reversal pattern to look at. Okay. Remember to be kind to yourself. Be kind to one another. Love each and every one of you. Until next time, trade well.